you. I'm hoping that you got it bad for me. I'm in my bag for you. I'm hoping that you in your bag for me. Breaking my back for you, but you gotta break it back for me. I just felt like she.
What's up, y'all? So I'm editing this video right now, and I forgot to record a mother stinking intro to this video. So I had to go ahead and record this intro this morning so I can get this video up for you guys, because we don't need no further delay in this. This is the video y'all been waiting for, how I lay my lace wigs. So I just want to clarify some things. I am not a professional at all. I'm not claiming to be. This is just how I do it. This is my process, and I just wanted to share it with y'all. So I hope y'all like it. I'm gonna insert some pictures so y'all can see what wig I'm talking about. Let's get right into it. No further delaying. Okay, so I've already braided my hair in just like 8 cornrows, and now I'm about to just make sure my edges is all scooped back before I put on my wig cap. And I'm going to just be using these little wig caps, nude wig caps. I'm going to be using the Got to Be Glue hairspray, so I can, you know, get my cap down, baby. Because we doing the ball cap method, so you know what I'm saying, we want our cap to be laid, and this gets the job done, okay? So you're gonna pull this down like this or whatever. We gonna snip the little ears so your ears can be out. I'm just gonna snip like a little, just a tiny little slit right here, and then pull my ear through. So I got my ear out. That shit looks so funny, but I mean, it's gonna have your wig laid though. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Alright, so we got our ears out and whatever, looking like little aliens. Now I'm just gonna take the Got to Be Glue spray. So I'm just gonna spray it around the perimeter where the lace is going to lay. Even if you don't get it perfect or whatever, I'm gonna show you how to, you know, make sure that it's like a perfect line, even if you don't spray a perfect line with the spray. So right now we about to just blow dry it. I don't do heat, I do no heat, and then I just do it on the highest blow dry. And then I'm gonna start on the edges or whatever, so that way I can lay these down. And I'm gonna use a rat tail comb.
When you love someone, you might fight, might fuss when you love someone. There's no such thing as doing too much when you love someone. One more time. When you love someone.
Okay, so once you get your wig cap, like, you know, solid or whatever, make sure it's dry and all the sides laying down. I like to just go right in the center and just cut it. And just take the wig cap and just start to cut.
I don't ever want you to leave. There's no place that I.
Just be careful not to get y'all skin, because that's not cute. That might hurt too damn much. Feel me? So now I got my cap laid and stuff like that. I'm gonna go in with the Got to Be Glue to kind of like lay these little frayed up edges down.
I'm in love, I'm in love. I get weak at the sound of your voice. You got that love that make me wanna rejoice. I can't explain it, baby, not at all, not at all, not at all. When I wake up, you on my mind.
Alright, so now I got that done. You can clip off the ear part.
That's the truth and the bottom line, baby. You
Okay, so now I got my wig cap laid. I'm gonna go in with some alcohol just to go around the perimeter because I just want it to be flawless, and taking off the excess little spray and stuff like that and gel will make a clean surface for when you apply your bonding solution to put your wig on. I like to do it with a Q-tip so I can just be precise.
Yes, I did. It's by design that I chose you. Yes, it is. Yes, it is, babe. I need you night and day, right? Under me, like
now I'm going to apply a little bit of powder to my wig cap because I want it to match my skin tone.
stay with me, baby.
Okay, so now I got the ball cap on, got the makeup on it. I'm gonna go one more time around the perimeter with some alcohol. All right, y'all, so this is the wig right here. Very curly, very full. I am too excited about this. I've already bleached the knots on this wig, and it comes with the with the elastic band sewed to it, and it has the adjustable straps too, but I'm not gonna be worried about those because I'm gonna be using the adjustable band in the back, which I'm excited about. And I got this wig from Arabella Hair. I will list what this wig is and how many inches and everything like that. It's going to be on the screen, and it's also going to be in the description box below. So yes, it's time for me to put this baby on. Whew. All right, so now we're going to pull this down to get it to where I want it at.
One more time. When you love someone, you might fight, might fuss when you love.
So I had to go grab me a hair clip, y'all, because this is a lot of hair, baby. All right, so now I can see what the H I'm doing. So I like to section it off into like little 3 sections to lay it down. So now on the sides, you just want to make sure that you cut this part off and cut out where your ear gonna be at, so you can have ear space.
I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. I get weak at this.
I don't use glue to lay my lace down because I like to take my lace off at nighttime. If you are somebody who wants to use glue, y'all can go right ahead and use glue at this time. This is when you'll be using glue. So I'm gonna just take 2 layers of this. So I'm gonna do 1 layer thinly, and I'm gonna be using the rat tail comb again, and then we're gonna use the blow dryer to blow dry it. Then we're gonna put another layer of glue, then we're gonna blow dry that, then we're gonna start to lay the lace.
There's no place that I'd rather be, babe. You're the only one that I need. I hope this ain't hard to believe, babe. I'm in love. 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 Just keep in mind that I chose to. Yes, I did. It's by design that I chose you. Yes, it is. Yes, it is, babe.
All right, y'all. So now it's time to lay these bad boy down. I like to start in the center first.
On display, have your way. Won't you stay with me?
All right, so So now the hard part is done. It's laid. So now we're just gonna cut the lace. Alright y'all, so my wig isn't melted how I want it to be, so I'm gonna take some Got To Be spray and I'm just gonna spray it right here so it can melt this into my skin. So I'm just taking a little bit of some powder and just putting it on the lace because it is a little lighter than my skin tone. So next time when I put it on, I'm gonna just put the makeup on the lace. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna be using this mousse to style my baby hairs. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the mousse and put that on my baby hairs, and then I'm gonna start to manipulate them with a little edge brush.
I hope this ain't hard to believe, baby. I'm in love. Hey, I'm in love.
Alright y'all, so I got my baby hairs how I want them, and now I'm just gonna spray a little bit of freeze spray one more time so them babies can stay put. Yeah, I'm gonna sit this thing on my head again, and we're gonna start styling. This got just the smallest amount of conditioner in it, and it's just water in the spray bottle, and I'm going to use that to help me to style this curly hair, this curly mane, because we all know that this baby is curls. Okay, this is giving us curls for the girls.
There's no place that I'd rather be, babe. You're the only one that I need. I hope this ain't hard to believe, babe. I'm in love. 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 I'm in love.
Now to just complete the style, because I'm wearing it curly like this, I'm just gonna take some more mousse and brush that through. So I'm gonna lay it here at the top, mainly for real, because I just want the top to be laid.
On display, have your way. Won't you stay with me, baby? I don't ever want you to leave. There's no place that I'd rather be, babe. You're the only one.
Okay, so y'all, this is the finished look. This is how it looks on each side. I feel like I did a good job, but I just don't like how low it is. So next time I'll push it back a little bit, because I don't like my forehead looking too small. Like, I actually like the size of my forehead. So now I just feel like I got a 2-head instead of a 4-head. Like, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna push it back a little bit more next time I apply it. But yeah, so if you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know. I would definitely do more hair videos, so just let me know in the comments, and I will see y'all in my next one.